Welcome to my channel. Today, we will be talking about how to contact BMO Bank customer service. There are several ways to get in touch with BMO customer service, depending on your needs. For general banking inquiries within the U.S., you can call their customer care team at 1-888-340-2265. Their hours are typically from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Central Time, Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays. If you're calling from outside the U.S., you can use the number 1-847-238-2265. For assistance with a personal credit card, you can call 1-855-825-9237. This line is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If you prefer digital communication, BMO offers an online support tool on their website. You can also chat with a live agent during business hours by logging into BMO Digital Banking. For quick, automated assistance, you can use BMO's Bank by Phone service, which is available 24/7. Finally, if you need to speak with someone in person, you can use their branch locator tool on the BMO website to find the nearest branch to you. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.